So what's up my people, so for everybody born speaking here once again with another update. So in today's video is about Chow Bank, and today I'm going to talk about the new things in Chow Bank. First of all, Chow Bank have been something that I've been yielding for me income every week, every day, every time. As in it's a side hustle that doesn't require you doing anything. Just set up your account and start making money for you. I've made a lot of videos about Chow Bank telling you guys how it's doing, and a lot of people are making money with it. So as you can see on my account, I'm currently having 50.68 Hong Kong dollars, which is worth 6.44 USD year over year. So that is it. And before doing anything on the platform, I want to place withdrawal first. So how do I withdraw? I will just click on withdrawal over here and then enter the amount which I withdraw. Minimum amount to withdraw is 60 USDT, that is 60 Hong Kong dollars. So what I have to do, 50 Hong Kong dollars actually, what I have to do now is to enter this 50.68 which I have, 50.68 which I have over here, and then select TLC20 tether wallet, which is the one that I'm using over here, and I've linked it already. Then get my CVC code, and then after doing it, head back and then click on next step. After next step, it's going to ask me for my CVC code, and then click on withdraw. And as you can see now, the withdrawal request have been successful, so we are waiting the process shortly. So now let's continue the video. Before end of the video, the withdrawal will land, and I will show it to you guys. So what is Chow Bank? Chow Bank is it's not an investment platform, but a bank. So follow the link in the description of this video. First of all, sign up to Chow Bank and make sure you verify the account. Your account is verified just like mine. So once you're done with it, you can go over to Chow Bank and check their information and know about Chow Bank. Look at it over here. Chow Bank is the way to success and whatever. So let's go over to how to know them more. So this is who are we. So if you select who are we and check themselves, you will see it by yourself that Chow Bank is proudly part of the outstanding Global Future Corporation. Chow Bank was opened in 2022 to raise capital and expand the ecosystem in the flourish global bank and future. So you can contact them. You can go down to their website, read everything about them. As you can see, they have over 1,000 employees, 1,000 back employees, 78,500 issue credits, and 120,250 plus debit card holders, and which I'm also one of them, and 27,000 plus bond holders, which I'm also one of them. So if you check over there, you will see who is their CEO and every other thing. You can also give them feedback on how you want the platform to be working. So you can see how the platform works and every other thing. And this is their social media handles, which you can also go ahead, check it, and then know more about the platform. And you can also check out their roadmap and their white paper here to know more about it. I've shown it in my other videos, so you can easily go over, sign up, check out on it, and see why you need to be with Chow Bank. So back to the site. What you have to do once you are done doing your own verification on it is to go over to this three-dotted line icon here, and then click on this particular place that says bond. So because that is where you'll be making your own money, and they successfully have changed the bonds which they promised us on their Telegram channel. As you can see it over here, the new Chow Bank bond have been issued. So today, that day, the day they issued it was June 29. Look at it over here. Chow Bank have issued a new bond for sale and can congratulate everybody for the event. So as you can see, they ask you to log into your bank and see how it works. So the new bank bond is now giving you 0.45 cents every single day, and accrual is once per week. The second one is 0.55 cents every single day, and accrual is 1 week. So let's go over and see how it works. So if you select the bond side and you go scroll down a little, you will see where they listed the two types of bonds. So this particular one is going to, each of them we need 10 bonds minimum. So if you select this particular one, which is the list, and then select you can check the amount of bond that you want to use on it. Then let's say assume that you want to use 10 bonds on it to activate your account. just like I did mine. So what you have to do is to select the cryptocurrency of your choice, or even use ePay. But since we all normally use cryptocurrency, select the cryptocurrency of your choice. So for me, I normally use TLC20. So select it, and then you will see how much it's going to cost you. So this particular bond is going to cost you $101.68, giving you 0.45% every single day for 2 years, guys. For 2 years. 2 years is that for 2 years or 3 years. So as you can see it over here. So what you have to do is to click on buy bond, and after you click on buy bond, it's going to take you over to where you copy the wallet address and then deposit the exact amount asked for you from the system, and automatically it will buy the bond for you, just like as you are seeing it here. It's already bought the bond for me and it's currently working for me now. So as you can see, this is how much it have given to me. So what you have to do is, once you're done with it, every single week is going to give you your accrual, and once you reach 50 Hong Kong dollars, that is 50 HKD, you can place withdrawal just like I placed it. And you can also check out other ways the platform makes money, both the marketplace, the credits, the business, and other things that follows it. You can also refer people, copy your referral link, and then refer people and see make money while they invest in bonds. And as you all can see, my withdrawal doesn't have any pending here. So let me go back to my account and check if the withdrawal have landed. And as you can see on my account, the withdrawal of 6.44 USDT without charges just landed to my account few minutes after I placed the withdrawal. So that is how I normally make money from Chao Bank, and I hope you guys can buy and see how it works. So this is it, and I hope you guys got value from it. Remember, Zubike is not a financial advisor. Do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose. My name is Zubike, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.